Do you feel like you're working hard on both your businesses and administrative tasks, despite putting in a lot of effort? Starting your company may have made it seem reasonable to manage your bookkeeping and accounting, but it may have become apparent that you need an assistant. Why not considering an online accounting service to handle these responsibilities, allowing you to concentrate on your business? Hey good people, hope you are doing well. This is Mori and I'm welcoming you all to SLBPO. Today, we will explore the benefits of virtual bookkeeping service for your businesses and how it can help you to concentrate on what really matters. So, let's begin the journey. What is bookkeeping? Before going further, we should understand what actually is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the process of systematically recording a company's financial transaction and documenting its finances. Having current financial records is necessary for projecting financial reports when needed. Accurate bookkeeping is essential for both internal and external business prospects. For example, your investor may want to have a look at your financial statement before investing in your business. I hope you understand the basic of bookkeeping. Now, let's find out what is virtual bookkeeping. Virtual bookkeeping means the same task as traditional bookkeeping. The only difference is that it is a virtual bookkeeper who is going to keep your accounting and financial records. It can be an external or internal employee, but it's preferred to be an external employee who can work from home or work from a third party specializing in bookkeeping services. Financial projections and analysis, annual taxes, and competence needs are some of the common tasks of a virtual bookkeeper. Benefits of virtual bookkeeping services. According to a popular belief, a building without a sturdy base cannot last long. Similarly, in accounting and tax-related tasks, accurate and efficient bookkeeping services are the essential groundwork that control and can't be overlooked. So, there are many benefits to using virtual bookkeeping services. Let's now discuss it briefly. Financial records. A virtual bookkeeper may take care of all the mundane financial activities that are holding you back from running a successful business. If you have a virtual assistant who specializes in bookkeeping, they can help you record your financial transactions, keep track of overall expenditures, and eventually reduce the operating cost of your business. I know it happens to each and everyone. Having to do a lot of financial tasks during taxation can be stressful, but virtual bookkeeping service can help you by giving you accurate reports so you can focus on your business. Error-free reports. Bookkeeping professionals with ample experience make fewer errors in financial transactions. Instead of hiring an expensive accountant, it is wise for businesses to use virtual assistants to save money and get the job done. Regulatory and governing laws. A virtual bookkeeper makes sure that financial rules and regulations are followed and the transactional databases are safe for legal purposes. On-time reporting. Virtual bookkeeping services are contracted and provide a specific timeline for financial reports, ensuring timely delivery. This is unlike in-house teams that may be late in submitting the reports. Additionally, when you hire your virtual bookkeeper from SLBPO, they will have backup assistance for your emergency tasks. Access to digital bookkeeping tools. Hiring a virtual bookkeeping assistant includes free use of bookkeeping tools and access to cloud storage for easy and remote availability of financial information. Flexible payment option. You can choose to pay your virtual bookkeeper on a pre-service basis. In this way, you will only have to pay what actually they are doing or the services that you require. You can also modify your payment by adding or removing services. Fast hiring process. Hiring an in-house accountant takes a while, but you can hire a virtual bookkeeping assistant quickly. They're trained and certified so they can start working right away without any training. Reduce fraudulent activities. Bookkeepers with access to company accounts can access damage through fraud. Outsourcing bookkeeping means the service provider is responsible for the data, so there is less risk of fraudulent activity. Loan and insurance track. A virtual assistant can prepare a report to have you keep track of your loan and the insurance premiums easily. Monitor KPIs. Virtual bookkeeping assistants can help track of key performance indicators, or as we all know, KPIs for employees, by organizing and documenting daily reports to find the numeric result. Pay as you go. You can hire a virtual bookkeeping assistant on a pay-as-you-go basis. That is, you will only pay the cost of the item. A typical virtual assistant in the United States costs between $20 to $100. If you hire an offshore company, then the price will be less. At ASL BPO, the cost of hiring a virtual assistant starts at $6 per hour. Please contact us for a free quotation. Data security. Most secure platforms are used by reputable virtual bookkeeping services to keep sensitive financial information from getting into wrong hands. No less of information. If your business accountant ever redesigned, hiring a replacement employee can be difficult and risky, as they may not have all the necessary information and it can cause data loss. Outsourcing eliminates this task and ensure no data loss, even if the employee quits. So, there might be some disadvantages of hiring a virtual bookkeeping service also. So, let's discuss the disadvantages now. The concept of having a virtual bookkeeping assistant is very useful to many. However, there are some disadvantages too, like data security is a big matter of concern since you will be sharing a lot of your company's crucial data with the virtual bookkeeping assistant. Make sure that you sign a non-disclosure agreement with your virtual assistant before hiring. For a business owner, one of the major problems with outsourcing is that it keeps up control over certain aspects of the company. There is less oversight, completely remote, than when they are completed in a person. Communication gaps can be another problem if you hire offshore bookkeeping virtual assistant. Make sure that the service provider has a well-built communication channel. So, as we all know, every service has advantages and disadvantages. I have described both of them in this video for a virtual bookkeeping service. Now, it's you who will decide what is good for you. If you choose to outsource, then undoubtedly there are many large giants such as Accenture and Wipro. There are many companies in India and as well as Philippines and other countries. But if your business are small to medium size, then you can contact ASL BPO, as we focus on helping small businesses bring their costs down and run successfully. That's it for today. See you soon.